So if you're thinking about joining Lyft but don't have your own car and you're wondering if Lyft Express Drive program is actually worth it in 2025, let's break it down. What is it? Lyft Express Drive lets you rent a car through their partners like Hertz or Flex Drive, so you can start driving without owning a vehicle. The rental usually covers insurance, maintenance, and roadside assistance, which is convenient. You can return the car after just 1 week, so there's no long term commitment. And one big bonus, you usually get unlimited mileage while driving your Lyft, so you can hustle hard without racking up extra fees. Now, the downside, the weekly rental fee is not cheap depending on your city. It could be a few $100s, and that cuts into your earnings big time. Some drivers also say that they don't earn as much per ride when using a rental. Add in fuel and wear and tear, and it might feel like you're working a lot just to break even. Plus, people have mentioned that the rental cars can be a bit worn down, higher mileage, or sometimes maintenance issues. So, to answer the question, is it worth it? If you don't have a car and want to try Lyft short term, it could be a decent option to get started. But if you plan to drive full time, it might be a smarter in the long run to get your own vehicle, especially if you're trying to maximize your income. The bottom line, Lyft is good for short term or part time drivers without a car. And Lyft is not the best for full timers looking to earn as much as possible. Start small, test it out, and track your expenses closely.